This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and the video I have for you today is finally the announcement of the winner of my redrawing for my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm very excited to announce that, but first off I'd like to start off by saying thank you to everyone that subscribes to this channel and that has helped support it by subscribing, liking, sharing, and even clicking the bell. What I have for the giveaway is a couple things. I have this Go So lockpick set, which is a pretty decent set. A lot of people have mixed reviews on it, but I find that they open up locks pretty well, and it's a pretty decent set. So this is some of the auto rakes, and then on the other side we have some regular looking lock picks and some tension wrenches. To complement this, I have included a practice lock that Briarberry Cove has graciously donated and put in some grub screws on the top so you can top cut this and help you progressive pin it very easily. Right now it has all standard pins pinned up into all 6 chambers, and if you would like some more experience with learning security pins for your practice, I've included some spool pins and some serrated driver pins. Now on top of that, I have a couple extra things. The initial winner of this giveaway never came forward, so I wanted to add a couple extra items. The first thing I have is this warded lock. You can get this from the dollar store very cheaply, and they're very commonly available. What I did was file down one of the keys, and now you have a skeleton key to this warded lock, and you can open up any of these locks of this type. You just simply insert the key and turn, so that's pretty fun. The other things that I included extra, I have this American lock cylinder here. I do not have the key. I've never taken it apart, never tried to pick it. Not exactly sure how well it's working. I've never actually played with it, but it's yours to have some fun with. Then I have this wafer lock core here. It doesn't have the housing, so there's no way to pick it, but it is a good visual representation of how a wafer lock works. You can see all the wafers that stick out that secure the lock when it is in a nice little cylinder there, and when you insert the key it will retract all the wafers and then it will be able to turn unobstructed. So I just think that this is a pretty cool little visual aid, and you can probably even take this apart and try to learn about it some more. And the final thing I included was this Schlage cylinder here. I do have it in the pick position just in case you had any trouble with it. I'm including this key. This key does not fit the lock, but, well, it does fit the lock, but it isn't keyed to the right bitting. So it is very close. So my challenge for the winner is, if they can try to file this key down so it will become an operating key. So this key is able to be filed down. It's tall enough. You have all the spacing correct. So that'd be a fun little project. So once again, I'd like to thank everyone that entered the giveaway and that has continued to support my channel by subscribing to it, watching all the videos. I have a very fun time interacting with everyone and answering all your questions. But without further ado, let's announce the winner to my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. So I'm gonna start off with a very high budget drum roll here, and the winner is Base Gaming. Congratulations, Base Gaming. You have won the 4,000 subscriber giveaway, and I will try to get this out to you as soon as possible. Please send me an email to helpfullockpicker@gmail.com, and we'll try to get this sent out to you. As long as you're a subscriber to this channel, you live in the United States, and lockpicks are legal in the state that you're in, and you get back to me within a week, I will send all of this out to you right away. Congratulations on winning, and thank you for entering, and thank you to everyone that has been supporting my channel. I hope to have more giveaways to come. I find it a very great way to help give back to the community and keep the lock sport community going. If anyone ever has any items they would like to donate to me for a giveaway to help keep some of the giveaway frequencies up, please send me an email at helpfullockpicker@gmail.com and I can help set that up. But either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. Congratulations again to Base Gaming on winning my 4,000 subscriber giveaway.